Albania, a destination that surprises every traveler. A place where turquoise coastlines meet dramatic mountains, where culture, food, and hospitality create moments you'll never forget. Wander through the colorful streets of Tirana. Relax on the Albanian Riviera with crystal clear water and golden sunsets. Explore UNESCO towns like Berat and Gjirokastër, rich with history and charm. And step into the Albanian Alps, where nature feels untouched and breathtaking. Whether you're searching for adventure, peace, or discovery, Albania delivers it all. Beautifully, authentically, effortlessly. Voyo Tours, your gateway to a journey worth remembering.